Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Let's start off with Monday's satellite loop, and here we see it was cloudy over parts of the Eastern Cape and much of KwaZulu-Natal, and this allowed for cooler conditions across those areas. In the north, it was partly cloudy and thunder showers popped up in the afternoon, and there were even a couple of strong thunderstorms along the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga. Now on Tuesday, we'll see a cloudy start to the day across the eastern parts, drizzle and fog patches, particularly along the escarpment, and some rain along the eastern coastline. Along the west and south coasts of the country, on the other hand, it's going to be a sunny and hot Tuesday, and thunder showers will develop across the central parts once again, particularly in the northwest province. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for a high fire danger along the west coast and the adjacent interior. It's going to be a very hot day for those areas, and runaway fires will be possible. A cloudy start to the day for KwaZulu-Natal with drizzle and fog patches, a bit of light rain along the coastline as well. Things will start clearing up during the course of the afternoon. Thunder showers possible for Matatiele and Aliwal North. Otherwise, it's going to be a mainly dry day for the Eastern Cape, and temperatures will rise into the lower 30s for Graaf-Reinet and Somerset East. We're expecting a sunny, hot and dry day across the Western Cape. Temperatures in the upper 20s along the south coast, 28 for George and Mossel Bay, mid-30s for the interior where Robertson and Worcester both get to 36, Cape Town at 32, but some areas around the city could reach the mid-30s as well. Very hot near the western coastline. Alexander Bay, on the other hand, will be warm at 26 degrees. Thunder showers for the interior of the Northern Cape, partly cloudy across the region and very high temperatures, particularly in the north. A hot day for the Free State with isolated thunderstorms. Bethlehem will be pleasantly warm at 27, and we're expecting up to a 60% chance of thunder showers for the northwest province. Vryburg gets to 34, thunder showers for Rustenburg with a maximum of 31 degrees. Now over Limpopo, it's going to be cloudy over the eastern parts at first, fog at Fort Senene as well as a chance for drizzle in the morning, a maximum of only 23. And it will be cloudy as well for the eastern parts of Mpumalanga, Mbombela at 24, drizzle at first as well, thunder showers on the Highveld, and there's also a chance for morning fog for much of the province. In Gauteng, it may be cloudy at first, becoming partly cloudy. Once again, a chance for thunderstorms and maximums in the mid to upper 20s. Northeasterly winds will become fresh to strong at times for the Eastern Cape coastline, up to 40 kilometers per hour for East London. Moving ahead now to Wednesday's forecast, and we're expecting a dry day across the coastline of South Africa, thunder showers for the Free State, the Northwest Province and Gauteng, and a very similar pattern's been forecast for Thursday when Cape Town rises to 29. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com